A very good mining platform, guys. This is a Bless network. On this platform is similar to Grass network. It's also similar to NodePay. So if you are missed out on Grass network or you've missed out on NodePay, this is another important project that you can just join now and start mining. You can see, guys, this particular project has just 22,400 followers. Guys, this is very simple and super easy. Not only that, guys, this project has raised $8 million for this project. You can see, guys, funding round 8 million. You see here, guys, blessed project. Take a look at the logo here, guys. So, guys, this project is very good and it's very nice. So in this video, guys, I will guide you through the processes on how to join this platform and start mining. Guys, if you are new to this channel, if you're not subscribed to our channel, can you subscribe to our channel, guys? Tap the channel icon and select all, so that you're notified when we drop another important video on this channel. Guys, not only that, subscribe to our Telegram channel and don't forget to drop your comment about this particular mining platform. So all you have to do, guys, is to click on the link in the video description if you really want to do this particular mining, guys. As well, you can do this on your Kiwi browser because we're going to have an extension. Once you click on that link, it comes up like this. You can connect use GitHub or using this particular Google. As well, you can use your email address and click on login with email address. So tap on login with email address. So once you tap on that, you can see that a mail has been sent to your email address. Go to your email address, guys, and provide the verification code that's sent to your email address. It's very simple. So, guys, I will be accessing that using my mobile device. I'll just type in the verification code sent to my email address. So once you enter the verification code, then just wait a bit, let it complete. Now that you've done that, it comes up here. You can see that it redirects. Just wait a bit, guys, for this process to fully complete. Now it has loads up like this. The next thing now is to have the extension on your device. So to have the extension on your device is very simple, guys. Our website here, click on get the Chrome extension here. Once you click on this button, so it comes up like this. You can see it here, guys. Click on this add Chrome extension. Now tap on install. Tap on that continue, then tap on add extension. Now that you've added the extension to your device, now click on this extension. It comes up like this. You can see that blessed, then click on login. So once you click on login, guys, it will automatically log into this platform. Now that you've done that, you have access to this. You can see that connected host, then this one node not connected. Now you wait a bit, you see that node has connected, then you have access to this. All this information is what you access on this platform. Now the next thing I want to talk is to come to my refer. Copy this link, guys, share this with family, friends, and earn more from this platform. Now come to my achievement. Under achievement, you see that blessed user done, activate here, guys. If you do not use any referral link, it will not show activate, it will not show done. So in order to have this particular one done, you have to use my referral link. Not only mine, if you have any other people's referral link or referral code, guys, you can use their referral link and create an account on this platform. So that is that on how to do that. So you don't have anything to do on this platform, just come over to this place and run this extension. So as you stay on this platform, guys, your time is not wasting on this platform. So we are early to join this platform, and don't forget that funds has been raised for this project. So if you do enjoy what I've explained on this platform and you've not subscribed to my channel, guys, kindly subscribe to my channel, tap the notification icon and select all so that you're notified when we drop another important video on this channel. Thank you, guys. See you soon on our next video.